Tourists flock to Santorini town, also known as Thera or Fira, in Greece for a multitude of reasons, all of which contribute to its immense popularity as a travel destination. Santorini town offers some of the most breathtaking views in the world. The iconic whitewashed buildings with blue domes cling to the cliffs overlooking the azure Aegean Sea. The sight of the caldera and the sunsets over the water create an otherworldly and romantic atmosphere. The traditional Cycladic architecture found in Santorini town is instantly recognizable. The charming maze-like streets, narrow alleys, and quaint houses create a picturesque and Instagram-worthy backdrop that appeals to architecture. I make these jigsaw puzzles because I enjoy solving these and it's so relaxing. For more videos, follow me.